Hey everybody, welcome to Teo's Take for another unboxing video. If you follow my channel, about a month ago I was talking about the new DJI Neo and telling you how it's I find it kind of early. I wanted to wait some firmware upgrades and things like that, and then read some reviews and then purchase one. I know it's a no-brainer drone. It's $200 if you buy it by itself. Or if you buy a combo package, you know, it's under $300. So DJI sent me this little box, and I purchased the drone with my own money, and I just received it. I just wanted to open the box with you guys and let you know what I think about this drone. After the big brouhaha is over, you know, after everybody got their drones and got their firmware upgrades, and I just wanted to talk to you about my first impressions and unboxing what comes in the box and things like that. And let's go ahead and get this rolling. So let's go ahead and open the box now. DJI sent this to me 4 days ago, and it arrived from mainland China literally in 4 days. And here it is, you guys. Invoice type of stuff. Nothing else in the box. It came in a very small box. You know, I never saw this drone in person. I always see the other reviewers and stuff, but in person, the box itself is very small. I assume drone is very small as well. And let's go ahead and open this and see what's in this box. Right, let's go ahead and get this opened. Little green tab, peel it off. Comes in the box. A little, I think it's the accessory thing. There are 2 batteries in this, looks like it. This is the charger. Yep. Oh my god, batteries are so tiny. It's a Type-C charger, on-off button right here. Very cute, DJI branded, lights on it, very cool. What else in this little box? Extra propellers, a charging cable, Type-C to Type-C, a little screwdriver, a user manual, looks like a DJI sticker, and here's the drone. Super tiny, in a plastic bag. I like the box. It's a very small box, very compact, very efficiently spaced out. Here it is. Tiny little camera guard. Charging cable, charging port in the back if you want to charge the battery on the drone. And here's the battery. There are 2 sensors at the bottom. Very cool. Guys, this is so light. The lightness of this thing reminds me a lot of my Tello. Of course, not even close Tello to this thing. Just to show you guys, Neo next to Tello. I don't know if anyone done this. Here's Tello. Here's Neo. fairly similar principle. They both have sensors at the bottom. Tello has wider, larger propellers, and this guy has 3 propeller thing. Batteries goes in like this to Tello, and that one is part of the body. Anyway, and of course the terrible camera of Tello. Anyway, I'm anxious to fly this. Luckily today is one of those days that we don't have too much wind here in Nebraska, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. Alright you guys, well this is my new DJI Neo, and I'm glad I held on. I didn't buy it right at the beginning. I feel like it's a really good purchase. Basically what I did is I bought the drone and I bought 2 years replacement plan, because I hear a lot of guys are having flyaways or crushing in the water and this and that. Not that I'm planning on flying on the water, but based on what I read, I think this DJI plan definitely gonna work. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. If you like the content, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a question in the comments. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video of Teo's Take. Have a great day.